Good morning, students. We are at the threshold of the beginning of a new course segment of ICSE board. Every guardians are requested to show this video to your infants. This is a helpful video for your infants. It is for toddlers and hope it will be enjoyable all the students out there. First standard, that is a nursery or LKG and first day. This is the segment of recognizing the alphabet capital and small from A to Z. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. First of all, what is alphabet? ये alphabet क्या होता है? ये alphabet are the sign or the symbol of phonemes of English language. That is, ये alphabet जो होता है ये एक sign होता है या symbol होता है इंग्लिश जो भाषा है उसको लिखने के लिए ইংরেজি ভাষাটাকে লিখবার জন্য যেসব চিহ্ন ব্যবহার করা হয় সেগুলোকেই আমরা অ্যালফাবেট বলি। মোট 26টা অ্যালফাবেট ইংরেজি বর্ণমালায় আমরা দেখতে পাই। লেটস স্টার্ট। A. I am requesting all the students there to make sound with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's begin the small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, we already recognize the capital A to Z and the small a to Z, that is the 26 alphabets in English. That's all for today. See you next video. Bye bye.